say. See, you got to make a daughter go, you got to let her never stay there. See, you got to run it right over. Someone really said that. No, say, don't do that. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Wow! Got to be clever. Baby, I want to see you got to love a people with a someone say that, say don't play that. I said I miss I spend, don't do that. Wow! I said no, say don't say that. Said I miss I spend, don't do that. Step it round the young tree. So the people never jump and say, I said I miss a Spain, don't say that. Said I said, don't do that. Gotta win round, gotta win it, gotta win it, gotta win round.
Walk out and me again. Say you come back.
Be our best lover, and you gotta to be clever. I will love with you forever. I say right down, y'all. Wow, make we step it right round there. Some me say come make we step it right round there. Got it. Love is all I've got, so you gotta hit the bottom from a double to the very little driver. Some make we right on there. Hey, and step it right on right there. Yeah, you know, make it easy. Against your brother, cause that would be kinda wrong, y'all. Never, say, don't play that. I'll make we step it right on round there. Right on. I'm the white lips up Tuba, and I feel your Land Rover. Come make we step it right on over. Down on the keep on riding. Step it uptown. I said I make we step it round town. So the people them will gather around. And I said you make me gather around. And I said you sick more lazy, you get crazy. Wow, I said nobody get so crazy. Don't you be lazy, y'all. Say no, don't be baby. Wow. Say no, don't get lazy. I saw me say nobody get too lazy. Got it. I beg your pardon. What did you say? Say it out again. I saw me say no, make we say it out again. Wow. Gonna make me jump around the bed.
What a great man. Silver and gold will vanish away, but a good education can never decay.
Stood my friend.
I tell you, man. Parigal Rasta. Sure. The Chinese stuff, you know. Keep them good and keep them low. Wow! Keep me doing as I want to tell you. Keep you doing as I want to play. Keep kicking, bucking, flashing, stopping, and flashing, poof. Kick him, stab him, flash him, kick him down, say the thing I call out. Karate way, man. Bad. I'm doing as I want to tell you. Yeah, I want to tell you about 3 Chinese guys. Kung Fu Mong Sing, we won't say. From Chinese cattle down, say. If you do as I want to tell you. Kind of acrobatic stuff, you know. Things kind of sound impossible, but it's still. Keep them flashing, talking, boxing, kick them. Keep them flashing, poof and poof. From down till the bonus on a color. We do as I would say. You could do as I would really tell ya. See man, you gotta check that show. You got to check it out and say. We up down as I would tell ya. Look, I ain't gonna call the actual place because I ain't gonna get no pay. That's gonna be commercial. Commercial. Kind of commercial stuff, but we ain't gonna get no pay. If you do it, I will say, skip and do, skip and do it, I will skip and do it, skip and do, kick, walk, we have bad, skip and do it, skip and do it. Wow, baby. Keep on doing as I was saying. Me poof, pop. Keep on doing no flashing until you don't know. Kind of girl, she's way out. See, Papa China's sister, she's bad. See, man, she keep walking flashing.
Kind of telling you some kind of fictitious story about the bumper of the king, as I would say. While the bumper got to stick around the sidewalks, the king will run around and play.
I'm not in a position to mention you.
Kind of telling you about the bumper of the king, as I would tell you, baby. When I really tell you the story, I really don't to me, baby. While the king live in his castle, I will tell you. The poor pauper got to live on the sidewalks, as I would say, I begging each and every day. While the king in his house, so we run around and play. You can hear what I say. Kind of telling you about the pauper while the king. Well, this is a message I will bring. While the king traveled around in his limousine and looking really keen, as I will tell it to you. Papa hit the gate to a really suffering, looking something to scuffle. Poor Papa got to hustle, as I would say. No matter what the bosses, I will tell it to you. Tell you about the Papa one the king. King in the ballroom. While the poor Papa got to stay outside, as I would say. Tell me Papa was the king, yeah. Kind of plastic story I will bring, as I would say. So baby, come on down and swing, no matter what they ever say. While the Papa really suffer through tribulation, the king in his congregation getting a whole lot of ovation, as I would say. Kind of story about the Papa one the king, as I would tell you, baby. Got to hold of this here thing, as I would say. Tell you about the Papa one the king, as I would tell you, baby. Come on down with me, no matter what they. Yeah. Papa got to live in annihilation with no compassion, as I would say. And his food is really rationed and nowhere to live. People in the gate too got nothing to give. While the king's storehouse and barn is all full. Baby, this is really awful, as I would say. Can I tell you about the Papa one the king? It's the thing that's really happening today. Say the Papa one the king. Come and hold of this here thing, as I would tell you. See the Papa was the king. So baby, come on down and quick like hell, never come up in you. Still I got to tell you. While the Papa really suffer, things are getting rougher and tougher, as I would say. The king has too much, as I would tell you, baby, about this kind of tender touch. While the Papa got to live in sufferation. What a cruel generation, as I would say. Papa was the king. Oh baby, come on, sweet, and this your team, and I will tell you, baby,
The gift of God is eternal life. So come on, my brothers and sisters, let's get right in this time. Yeah. Cause love is here to stay. Don't throw it away, my God. They say you stick to pocket and you grab two purse and you take whole vault and you say that you salt when you cannot jail like you can't get bail. Awada, until you say that wada, Come make me smoke up the weed and throw away the greed. Make me lick up the chalice and nothing with the malice. Said I come to Nineveh to warn the nation. I come to Nineveh to warn the nation. The herb is the healing of the nation. I said the herb is the healing of the nation. So make me jump up, jump up, jump up in a Babylon. Jump up, jump up, jump up in a Babylon. Get right in this time. Remember the brother said there can be no next time, yeah. They say you stick to pocket and you grab two purse. You take whole vault and you say that you salt when you gonna jail and you can't get bail. Awada, you shouldn't do that. They said you shouldn't do that. Informer, tell ya, wow, you shouldn't do that. No. You got to get right in this time, my brothers and sisters. Yeah. So make we lick two chalice and throw away the malice. We lick two chalice and dash away the malice. Make we smoke up the weed and throw away the greed. The herb is the healing of the nation, Lord. The herb is the healing of the nation. I tell you. We lick up the pipe and feel alright. We lick up the pipe and feel alright. So stick no pocket and no grab no purse. You can't jail and you can't get bail. I've got that, I tell ya. Jump up in a Babylon. Jump up in a Babylon. You live up. You keep to make me live up in a Babylon. You said you stick to pocket and you grab two purse. What you da?
For God so loved the world that he gave unto each and every boy or girl to wheel around the world.
I don't wanna wait, baby, for your love. I don't wanna wait, baby, for your love.
Say that me went out of Spain fi go check Sister Jane, but me wait in vain. Me say me walk in the rain and me feel a little pain just all run over me brain. Boy, said I don't really want to wait in vain. Not because your name is Jane and you take away me chain. I'm not gonna wait in vain. Say that I'm not gonna wait in vain. Me say me see you on the lane and me no call out your name, but I'm not gonna wait in vain. Although your name is Jane and you're gone with me chain, I'm still not gonna wait in vain. I don't want to wait in vain for your love, because boy, me coulda love you now and little after this me get fit dislike you. Them but I love you, not even really want to rub you. I don't want to really wait and that appreciate. I don't want to really hate and should appreciate. I don't want to wait downtown, cause I will tell you I don't really want to wait, What baby? Sometime a man might say a thing, and people might look on him and skin up them teeth and say them a laugh off of him. But the truth him a talk. Some people like to fight against truth and right. Yeah. Say that me went up a Spain, figure sex sister Jane, and me wait in vain. Say man, me went up a Spain, figure check sister Jane, she make me wait in vain. Man, me say she gone with me golden chain. Man, me say she leave me in the falling rain. Me say me went up to Spain, figure sex sister Jane, and me wait in vain. Whoa, see her on the lane, and me no call out her name, although she take away me golden chain. See her on the road, and me take her heavy load, and then me walk down the road. Some people say that I'm silly, but my name is not Illy Billy. Who gone with a 2-year-old filly, and that is very silly. Make me tell your brother Gilly, they done it. You know, I wanna see you move round it. You know, and then I see you down it. Yeah, but make no she keep on round it, right on there, you know. Whether you're sick or sad, and whether you lost the love you really had.
Africa is a black man kingdom.
Not sure,
Don't you know it's true? Africa is a black man kingdom. Africa is a black man glory.
Africa, the land of our father's birth. We pledge today our love untiling years to be. When we are grown to take our place as man and woman of our race. Oh, giant Zion who love us all. Oh, hear thy children when they call. That we may build from age to age, to undefile our heritage.
Africa.
Teach us to bear thy yoke in youth, with steadfastness and careful truth, that in thy time thy grace might give, the truth where Bible nation live. Teach us to look in all our hands, and be for judge and not our friends. Say that you miss a basic. Said no bad that man like your face, eh? Say that you play a little jump and a little plum plum. Play a little jump and your little plum plum, and then you blow Mr. Organ blow. Man say then you blow Mr. Organ blow. For that you reap what you sow. Pam pam, I said you reap what you sow. Pam pam, for we are African descendants. Say we are African descendants. 'Cause we are one black nation. Say we are one black nation.
I can vision in my eyes when I look in the sky.
Did I see clear vision? Did I see clear vision? Did I see the vision clear? Say we are African descendants. Say we are one black nation. Oh, we are one black nation. African roots of all black people. African roots of all black people. That you can be some people, they don't bother with the people. You don't bother people, they don't bother with the people.
Calling our dancers, let's put on our dancing shoe and boogaloo and the barbecue real cool where it's good for you. Live it up. Sounds to keep you jumping. Sounds to let you come down and swing. I will buy your wedding ring. So baby, come on down and let you do your own thing. Lift the dot up with you on the back. And take a drop of trouble in the back, you know. While I must get that girl from a lollipop, but take a touch, she's coming back up on the track, 'cause I would say
Skylarking,
looking.
Give it to me. Shooby dooby dooby, I love you. Because I want you just to be my little girl, to wheel you on the world. True love could never die. Baby, don't you ever make me cry, don't know why. Tears falling from your eye, and rain coming down from the sky. You lift it up. You keep on walking through the door some more. You keep on jumping through the door for sure. Keep on rocking around us, I would say. And let us do the little walking, let's do the little talking. Crab walking, a crab talking, live it up. Sound to shift you on the back, you go up high. Up in the sky, my baby, I could never tell you no lie. Tears falling from your eye, rain falling from the sky. Live it up. Shiv it up, I dig it up, I rub it up, I dig it up, I jig it up, I dig it up, I rig it up. One time, I move it up, I'm coming down the line. Girl, you keep on coming down the line and wind the waistline. I beg you rock it up in time, but I will till you wind the line. You wind the leg up in the waistline, and then you keep on rocking in time. Make a move, as I would say. You keep on come to school, to build the body school. Hip it up, ship it up, ship it up, hip it up, ship it up, ship it up, hip it up. One time, sound to keep you moving, sound to keep you jumping along, you know. Sound to quit you on the back and take a time. Crab walking, hip it up. Sound to let you walk and talk, sound to let you walk and talk and let your friends laugh. Baby, don't you skylark. Come on down and let us do the crab walk. You hit me to me one time. I like a Johnny Brown Brown. Whatever you be wrong. Leave it up. Shiv it up. You leave it up. You dig it up. You ring it up. You shit it up. You tap it till it up to you. You know. Scrap walking. Scrap walking. Leave it up. Son for the young and the old. I like to let the good time roll. Grab walking, grab walking. I beg you take about your dancing shoe and let the boogaloo grab walking.
Say my mom getting old, so my dad the same. So you see, they got to look for their Bible. And I've got to look for myself, because sustainability is what I've got. Out of the hills of Zion, the lightning and thunder. Fire, fire for them. Said if me have a girl and she a run down the road, she can go on and left me, go on and left me, go on and left me. Said if me have a girl and she a run on vanity, me say she's too ungodly. She better go on and left me. Can you say fire they a most steal? Man, him think say a cool breeze. Sing it say the fire they a most steal. Tell you say them think say a cool breeze. Said if me have a girl and she a run down the road, she can go on and left me. Go on and left me, Go on and left me, Go on and left me. Sometimes I look into the sky and there's no star out, and rain kinda set up. All these things is gyrates. Say fire they a moose steal. Man, them things say a cool breeze. For some running to the east like a big Lego beast, running to the west like a big gold face, but the attack claps steady. If me have a girl and she a run down the road, she can go on and left me, Go on and left me, Go on and left me, Man, me say she too ungodly. She too ungodly. All she do is hospitalize up the place and give him an headache, I would say. For if I wait, you can't wait, you better cool off your face. Said if I wait, you can't wait, you better cool off your face. Girl, stop from chase. If me have a girl and she a run down the road, she better go on and left me. Man, me say she too ungodly, she too ungodly. Man, me say she love too much vanity.
Surreal Mundo, El Secuelio con ya amigos. Buenas noches, señor. Y el Ruben, hermano Borrasta. Why you want to say I'm going by the Sea of Galilee? We go get two fish, why so fish stay, huh? Say that you drink fish tea and the willow tea. Say that you drink fish tea and the willow tea. Say that you feel so free and the willow tea. Say that you feel so free. Say that I 2 pound a snap around upon a macabat. 2 pound a snap around upon a macabat. Say that you put on a Italian. Say that you cook up a Italian pot. Say that you drink fish tea and the willow tea. Say that you feel so free. Say if you give me little bass and make me ride up me way. Give me little bass and make me run left me lay. Say that you drink fish tea and the willow tea. Say that you drink fish tea and the willow tea. Why? Say if you give me little bass and make me ride up me way. Give me little bass and make me run left me lay. The sounds like the fish that I would say. Yeah. Oh. Just like the good man said, the sounds that they keep put the devil away. Yeah. Said that he drink steamed fish outside the bed well fish. Said him eat steamed fish outside the jet well miss. Say that the jet don't miss. Yeah, but I tell you that the jet don't miss. You know, tell you say the Ital a vital, but make I tell you say the Ital a vital. Say that the Ital galone at the jet wamo. Say the Ital for sure. Some don't really say me say the Ital for sure. Say that an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. You're not tough the Ital and you drink up the roots. Say the Roslyn seed and the Irishman. Roslyn seed and the Irishman. The sound like fishing style say y'all. Say that you drink fish tea and the willow tea. Say that you feel so free. I'll say musically, yo. Surreal Mundo.
Lord is the light of my salvation. Who shall I be afraid? When the wicked even my enemy come upon I to eat up my flesh, they will stumble and fail. What you gonna do on the judgment day? What you gonna do? You gonna rock and roll the same old way, or you gonna do the funky or reggae? What you gonna do? You gonna sit down and pray? You gonna go down in your knee and pray? And what you gonna do on the judgment day? You rock and roll the same old way, or do the soul or the reggae? Say that what you gonna do, hey, on the judgment day? God the Father up above, hey, and then ma look down in a Babylon, hey, he ma look down in a Babylon. So what your eyes, what you see, what your ears, what you hear, what your feet where it step, what your hands where you do, what you gonna do, hey. There's a Father up above, looking down in Babylon. Better careful what you do, you better careful what you say, hey. Careful what you do, hey. Say that what you gonna do on the judgment day. Say that what you gonna do on the judgment day, hey. You're gonna rock and roll the same old way, do the funk or the reggae. Say that what you gonna do. Go down on your knee and pray. Go down on your knee and pray. go down on your knee and pray. Hey, say that what you gonna do on the judgment day. When you hear a voice say come, and when you hear a voice say come, where will you run to? Say that where will you run to? Hey, say that what you gonna do on the judgment day. Hey, you go rock and roll the same old way. And what you gonna do? Hey, on the judgment day. Are you gonna do the funk and reggae on the judgment day? And what you gonna do? Hey, dear the Father up above, said him looking down in Babylon. What your eyes, what you see, what you hear, what you hear. What your hands, what you do, what your foot, what you step. Father up above, hey, said him looking down at Babylon. Be careful what you do. If you can't be good, you got to be careful. Hey, say that what you gonna do on the judgment day. Say you rock and roll the same old way. You rock and roll the same old way. And what you gonna do? Hey, on the judgment day. Don't you ever stray. Don't you ever stray.